Hey MB crew, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my hair in the middle of the week or whenever I feel like I need to refresh it. So I'm just spraying water all over my hair. Now my hair is about 5 days after I washed it, but it's time for me to re-moisturize it. So I'm going to go in with the Heritage 1933 Hello Gorgeous Leave-In Detangler Conditioner. Now I love this product so much. You guys know I've collabed with them in the past, so I will link all those videos in the description box. However, this video is not sponsored by them. I just really love their products. And yes, so this leave-in detangler is amazing, guys. It has so much slip, it's lightweight, and it's the perfect refresher for, throughout the week when you need to refresh your hair. It works phenomenal. Do you hear what I'm saying? Phenomenal. So then I'm going to go in with the Miss Know It All Whipped Hair and Body Moisturizing Butter. I absolutely love this product because it holds the moisture in your hair for days, guys. Your hair will be moisturized for days. If you have not tried Heritage 1933 products, you definitely should do so. Like I said, this particular video is not sponsored. I'm just moisturizing my hair with these items because they work great and they leave my hair moist for days. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just detangling the section after I spray on the Hello Gorgeous leave-in detangler, and then I'm just detangling the section with my wide tooth comb and applying the Miss Know It All whipped in hair body butter. I have used this butter on my body as well, and it's phenomenal on the body and it works great on the hair, super moisturized. But y'all, these two products in combination work great. I absolutely love them. It makes detangling my hair a breeze. What I also like about these products are that they work year round. You guys know how some products only work in the summer, only work in the winter. But no, these products work really, really great all year round. If you need something that has lasting moisture, I would definitely recommend these products to you guys. And do you guys see how easy I'm detangling my hair? I like to detangle my hair throughout the week before wash day. It just makes it a lot more easier for me because when I wait until wash day to detangle, my hair is a mess. So I do like to do like a mid-week detangle, but I do not do it every night. This is not something that I do every night. This is something that I might do once a week, once every 2 weeks, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, or whenever I feel like my hair needs to be, detangled thoroughly, then I go ahead and do this process. So next I'm going to go in with the OMG oil. You guys know I always show this oil on my channel. It promotes hair growth and it keeps your scalp nice and hydrated, which I really love. And I put it all over my hair and on my edges. And this is just how my hair turned out, guys. As you can see, it's super moisturized. It's very detangled and it looks so good and healthy, which I'm so happy about. And this is about how much shedding I got, so not too much. So I'm happy about that as well because my hair normally sheds a whole lot. So I'm just going to take my little scarf. Excuse the holes, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up. And then we will be all done. And I can go ahead and put my wigs on, my turbans on. Or I can even take it out the next day and my hair will be nice and hydrated. And the Miss Know It All whipped hair butter gives great definition, guys. Great definition. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.